Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see one of the important interview question, which is a default method. And what is the default method? We are going to see why they are introduced this default method in Java 8 features. So we are going to see one of the basic example as well. And first we will see what is the definition and key points. So for that, let me share my screen. Here I have we can see the definition. A default method is defined in interface with default keyword and it's provide the default implementation. This allow the interfaces to have methods with implementation without forcing all implementing classes to override this method. What this means? When any interface which is subclasses is implementing that interfaces, they don't need to without they don't need to override or they can't override. Let's understand this with example. Here are some key points also is there, so we can check this. They provide a way to add new method to interface without breaking the existing implementation. Means our functionality is already developed, so we don't want to break the existing implementation. For that purpose, we can use the default method in Java. Classes implementing the interfaces can use the default method as is. Means those classes has implemented already, they can use it as it, or it can override if it is needed. Then default method allow interfaces to have behavior similar to abstract classes. Like in abstract classes, we are using concrete methods, which suppose we need to provide implementation for that method that we are using. Same we can achieve with the help of default method in interfaces. Let's understand this with example. So here I have created one class animal. This is the interface animal I have created, and we will create some. We will define some method. Like here, I am defining public void. Animal can eat method I am defining here. These are the only dummy declaration we need to provide implementation to interfaces method. Second method I am taking public void walk I am taking. So this method in interfaces, we need to provide implementation in our subclasses. So for that, I am creating some subclasses for like what type of animal I am taking here. Suppose let's assume I am taking a lion. Then another animal I am taking tiger. Tiger. So this animal can implements our interface animal, and we will use implement provide implementation to the method which we have declared in our animal class. So another is lion, which will also implements animal interface. Will provide implementation to the these methods. Okay, suppose I am printing one message system.out.println like lion is eating, and here I am providing another message, lion is walking. Now, similarly, I will add this in our tiger class as well. Tiger is eating and tiger is walking. Tiger is walking. So now we have created both the methods in both the classes. We will create one object in our main method here. With the help of we will create object for this base classes with the help of parent reference. So I am taking animal reference here. Animal equal to new tiger I am creating, and I am calling tiger class it method. And then I am creating another reference animal one equal to new lion, and I am calling lion class walk method. Lion animal one dot walk. So if I run this program, I am getting the output from the both the method we are calling from tiger class. One of the method it I am calling from tiger class, and one of the method I am calling from lion class. So it is this is our existing code. It is working fine. Now we need to implement new implementation. For that, what I am doing in Java, like they have introduced default method. So if we need to modify this, I am using here default like default wide swim. Animal can swim. So I am using swim method here, which will I add implementation like south animal can swim and swim. Now what is the problem here? Like if I declared method, suppose I want this new implementation, and I declared this only dummy declaration here, public void swim. If I provided this implementation, this is my new requirement. Here, if you can see, we got two related problems. We need to provide implementation in our subclasses as well. So here, if we can see in lion class as well, we need to provide implementation, and in tiger class as well, we got the error. So to avoid these issues, like it is a backward compatibility, they have provided default method in Java 8. So with the help of that, we can write our defaults method in our animal class. Like here I am declaring this method, commenting and uncommenting this. So we can use this method, and we can override this method in our subclasses as well. Suppose I am overriding it in our tiger class. Let me override this here, and the rate override public void swing where tiger is swimming. And I can call this method from here with the help of my tiger reference animal dot swim. Let's run this program and we'll see. That is the main purpose of providing default method in Java 8. I hope you understand these concepts, guys. And here, if we can see, I am able to call this method from tiger. Tiger is swimming. So that's all from this video, guys. If you like the content of the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.